Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be doing the workbook solution for Social Science for Standard 6, chapter number 3, that is Ancient Towns and Scriptures. Before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. So we'll be starting with the MCQs. First one, from where the ruins of Indus Valley Civilization first found? It's option number A, Harappa. Second, which city was the headquarters of agriculture revolution in Harappan civilization? It's option number C, Kalibangan. Third, how many mandals are there in Rig Veda? It's option number C, 10. Fourth, which is the main feature of Harappan civilization? It's option number A, well-organized town planning. Fifth, in which direction is the fort situated in the town planning of Indus Valley civilization? It's option number B, west. Sixth, in which direction is the colony of for common people situated in the town planning of Indus Valley civilization? It's option number A, east. Seventh, where were the houses built to get protection from the floods and dampness? It's option number C, on high platform. Eighth, what was the arrangement for the disposal of used water in the town planning of Harappan civilization? It's option number A, sewage system. Ninth, in which district is Harappa located in Pakistan? It's option number B, Montgomery. 10th, which town is considered as the main town of Indus Valley civilization? It's option number D, Harappa. 11th, what is the main feature of Harappan civilization? It's option number C, granary. 12th, on the bank of which river is Lothal situated? It's option number C, Bhogavo. 13th, what is the structure made from bricks found in Lothal called? It's option number A, dockyard. 14th, through which port was the international trade of Harappan civilization done? It's option number D, Lothal. 15, in which area of Kutch is Dholavira, the archaeological site, located? It's option number D, Khadir Bet. 16th, which place of Harappan civilization is located in Kutch district? It's option number B, Dholavira. 17th, in which state of India is Kalibangan, a place of Harappan civilization, located? It's option number A, Rajasthan. 18, what was the main occupations of the people of Indus Valley civilization? It's option number D, agriculture and livestock rearing. 19th, what had the people of Indus Valley civilization made for the entertainment of children? It's option number D, gardens. 20, from which place of Kim River of Bharuch district have the small and big colonies of Harappan civilization been found? It's option number A, Bhagatalav. 21, which is our oldest text? It's option number A, Rig Veda. Now we'll continue with question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. First one, Kalibangan is currently situated in Rajasthan state. Second, public bath found in Harappa civilization is located in Mohenjo-daro town. Third, Dholavira is an archaeological site found in Kutch district. Fourth one, in the town formation of Indus Valley civilization, the roads intersected each other at right angles. Fifth, in the towns of Indus Valley civilization, there was a night light system on public roads. Sixth, in public bath of Mohenjo-daro, there was an arrangement of steps on the both sides to get into the pond. Seventh, pillared houses found from Mohenjo-daro are known as Assembly Hall. Eighth, Lothal is situated in Dholka Taluka of Ahmedabad district. Ninth, Lothal was a prosperous port of ancient time. 10th, factory which made beads is found from Lothal. 11th, copper tools were manufactured in Kalibangan. 12th, there is a wonderful reflection of engineers' intelligence and craftsmanship of craftsmen in town planning of Indus Valley civilization. 13th, Dholavira is located in Bachau Taluka of Kutch district. 14th, historians consider the idols of Matruka Devi found from the remains of Harappan civilization as a symbol of Mother Earth. 15th, Rosdi, that is Srinathgarh, the place of Harappan civilization, is located in Rajkot district. 16th, From Rigved, we get reference of battles among the 10 kings on the banks of river Ravi. 17th, horse is mentioned more times in Rigved as compared to other animals. Now we'll continue with question number 3, that is true or false. First one, Harappan civilization is considered to be contemporary to Egyptian civilization. It is false. Second, Dholavira had a rainwater harvesting system. It is true. Third, the town structure of Dholavira is divided into two parts. It is false. Fourth, there are mainly 7 Vedas. It is false. Fifth, the town planning of Harappan civilization was unevenly done. It is false. Sixth, Harappan civilization is also known as the Roman civilization. It is false. Seventh, the most important feature of Harappan civilization was its well organized town planning system. It is true. 8. Single and double storied houses were seen in Harappan civilization. It is true. 9th. The whole town of Harappan civilization was divided into squares and rectangular sections. It is true. 10th. A public bath has been found in Kalibangan. It is false. 11th. Ornaments of the people of Harappan civilization were made of gold, silver, and precious stones. It is true. 12th. The people of Harappan civilization made special types of toys for their children. It is true. 13th. The script of the time of Indus Valley civilization is written in resolved mysterious language. It is false. 14th. Agriculture was done collectively in the early stages of Rigvedic age. It is false. Now we'll continue with question number 4, that is match the following. First one, Bhagat Alao. It's option number 4, Kim River. Second, Harappa. It's option number 1, Punjab, Pakistan. Third, Kalibangan. It's option number 2, Rajasthan. Fourth, Dholavira. It's option number 3, Kutch. Now the second part of match the following. First one, Dholavira. It's option number 4, Dockyard. Second, Lothal. It's option number 3, commercial port of Harappan civilization. Third, Kalibangan. It's option number 1, agricultural revolution of Harappan civilization. Fourth, Mohenjo-daro. It's option number 2, public bath. Now we'll continue with question number 5, that is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, in which countries are the great civilizations of human society exhibited? The great civilizations of human society are exhibited in the countries like Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome, etc. Second, which places are included in Harappan civilization? The places like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Kalibangan, Rakhigad, etc. are included in Harappan civilization. Third, where were the houses in Harappan civilization constructed? Why? The houses in Harappan civilization were constructed on a high platform to get protection from floods and dampness. Fourth, how were the streets organized in the Harappan civilization? The streets were organized in the Harappan civilization in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. Fifth, what was the most important feature of the Harappan civilization? Organized town planning was the most important feature of the Harappan civilization. Sixth, why is Indus Valley civilization called the biggest city culture? There were 2 big cities, that is Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, in Indus Valley civilization. Thus it is called the biggest city culture. Seventh, from which town have the remains of public bath been found? The remains of public bath have been found from Mohenjo-daro. 8. How was the town planning of Indus Valley civilization? The town planning of Indus Valley civilization was well organized, well engineered, well planned and efficient. 9th, why can it be said that Lothal would be a prosperous port of Indus Valley civilization? Due to a big dockyard found here, it can be assumed that the ships arriving here were used for loading and unloading of goods. From this, it can be said that Lothal must have been a prosperous port of Indus Valley civilization. 10th, where is the archaeological site of Harappa located? The archaeological site of Harappa is located in Montgomery district of Punjab, currently in Pakistan. 11th, what is the main feature of Harappan civilization? The main feature of Harappa town is its granary. About 12 grain stores have been found at the river bank of Ravi. 12th, which evidence of port has been found in Lothal? A structure made from bricks has been found in Lothal. It is believed as dockyard. That is the evidence of Lothal as a port. 13th, what were the main specialities of Dholavira town? The main specialities of Dholavira town were the rainwater harvesting system and stadium. 14th, on the basis of which remains can it be said that Kalibangan was the headquarter of agricultural revolution? The remains of farms and copper residue have been found in Kalibangan. It proves that Kalibangan was the headquarter of agricultural revolution. 15th, of what things was the town planning of the Indus Valley civilization a wonderful reflection? The town planning of the Indus Valley civilization is a wonderful reflection of governing power of ruling elite, intelligence of engineers, and craftsmanship of the craftsmen. 16th, which things were included in the food of the people of Indus Valley civilization? Things like wheat, barley, millet, peas, sesame, dates, milk, milk products, fish, etc. were included in the food of the people of Indus Valley civilization. 17th, what kind of clothes did the men of Indus Valley civilization wear? The men of Indus Valley civilization wore two clothes. They wore a cloth similar to dhoti on their waist and wrapped a short cloth on the upper part which came down from the shoulder. 18th, from what did the people of Indus Valley civilization make ornaments? The people of Indus Valley civilization made ornaments from gold, silver, and precious stones. 19th, from what did the people of Indus Valley civilization make utensils? The people of Indus Valley civilization made utensils from earthen, copper, and bronze. 20. Which toys had the people of Indus Valley civilization made for their children? The people of Indus Valley civilization had made bird-shaped whistles, rattlers, carts, carriages, marbles, animals, birds, and men-women shaped toys for their children. 21. How many Vedas are there? Which are they? There are 4 Vedas, first Rigved, second Yajurved, third Samved, and fourth Atharvaved. 22. Which information of the life of Aryans is found from Rigved? Information about political, social, economic, and religious life of Aryans are found from the Rigved. 23. The references of which political institutions is found from Rigved? The references of political institutions named Gana Sabha and Samiti have been found in Rigved. 24. Which women scholars created the Richas of Rigved? The women scholars like Apala, Lopamudra, Ghosha created the Richas of Rigved. 25. Which works did the Samiti shown in Rigved used to do? The Samiti shown in Rigved used to discuss the important questions of the state and give justice. It also elected the king. Now we'll continue with question number 6, that is answer the following questions briefly. First one, give introduction of roads of Harappan civilization. Roads were very comfortable. There were 2 highways in the city, one of which connected north with south and other connected east with west. Here streets were parallel to the main roads. Roads intersected each other at right angle. Roads and streets were organized in such a manner that the whole town could be divided into squares and rectangular sections. Evidence of nightlight system has also been obtained on public roads. Second, creativity and craftsmanship of Harappan people are expressed in toys. Explain the statement. Various toys have been found from the remains of Harappan civilization. They show that people of that time were child lovers. The people of Indus Valley civilization made special types of toys for their children. Bird-shaped whistles, rattlers, carts, carriages, marbles, animals, birds, and male-female shaped toys, head-shaking animals, and toys showing the artistry of a monkey climbing on a tree are the main toys here. From this it can be said that creativity and craftsmanship of Harappan people are expressed in toys. Third one, which features were seen in the houses of the towns of Indus Valley civilization? The people constructed houses on high platforms to get protection from floods and dampness. Rich people's houses were doubled storied. The main gate opened in the lanes rather than towards the main road. Every house has modern and beautiful system of well, bathroom, sewage for the disposal of used water, kitchen, toilet, etc. Indeed, the town of this culture were the best towns in terms of town planning. Fourth, how was the economic life of the people of Harappan civilization? The economic life of the people of Harappan civilization was mainly dependent on agriculture and livestock rearing. The people were engaged in various economic activities like agriculture, livestock rearing, trade, and cotton industry. The crops like wheat, barley, peas, millet, sesame, mustard were produced. The cotton cloth of Harappa was very famous at that time. It was exported in Mesopotamia and through it up to Egypt. Thus, it can be said that the international trade would have been done at that time. Thus, the economic life of Harappan civilization was dependent on various economic activities. Fifth one, which places of Harappan civilization have been found in Gujarat? The places of Harappan civilization found in Gujarat are Lakhabawal and Amra in Jamnagar district, Bhagatalav on the bank of a river Kim in Bharuch district, Desapar, Surkotda and Dholavira in Kutch district, Rangpur in Surendranagar district, Lothal in Ahmedabad district, and Rosdi in Rajkot district. Sixth one, which ornaments did the women and men of Harappan civilization used to wear? The women and men of Harappan civilization used to wear ornaments like necklaces, rings and fingers, hand bracelets, bangles, earrings, waist belts, and anklets. These ornaments were made of gold, silver, and precious stones. Now we'll continue with question number 7, that is answer the following questions. First one, write a short note on Lothal. Lothal is situated on the banks of Bhogava river in Dholka Taluka in Ahmedabad district. Lothal was a commercial port and an industrial town in ancient times. A structure made of bricks has been found in Lothal. It is considered that it must have been a dockyard. It can be assumed that the vessels, that is the ships arriving here, were used for loading and unloading of goods. In addition, warehouses and bead factory have been found here. So it can be said that Lothal was a prosperous port of ancient India, and international trade of Harappan civilization must have been done through the port of Lothal. Second one, how was the town planning of Harappan civilization? All the towns were planned in a similar way. All the places of Harappan civilization had the fort at the west side and colony of common people at the east side. A fortress surrounded the fort. Bricks were mainly used in the town structures. Houses were constructed on high platforms to get protection from floods and dampness. The roads were very comfortable and intersected each at right angles. The main gate of the houses opened in the lanes rather than onto the main road. There was a public bath to take bath on festivals and religious occasions. There were assembly halls in the towns. And here we come to the end of chapter number 3, that is ancient towns and scripture. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.